Hey guys, this is Joyce and I am back with part 2 of the Hobby Lobby clearance sale. Sorry, I went back because I needed some magnetic sheets, and I got one yesterday, so I used a coupon, a 40% coupon, and then I went back today and got a second one because I got dies that I need to get going, organized. So I got 2 of those. Like I say, I had to make 2 trips because you know they won't let you use 2 coupons at the same time. So of course I had to go back because I wanted to see. I didn't realize they had the flowers on sale and on clearance, so I went back to get some flowers, and I got some of the Prima ones, and I got some of the Paper Studio ones. And so these are the Prima ones that I got. And the thing with Prima ones is that they don't have names, but these are some that I could use with some of the paper collections that I recently got. So they were $1.24, and this one has 12 pieces, and this one has 24 pieces, and then this one only has 6 pieces. So those are my Prima ones. And in the I got this tool for, you know, taking the pieces out of your die cuts, from $14.99 to $3.74. I would have bought an extra one as a gift, but they only had one, so I got that. I mean, that's a great deal. And even though I have the Tim Holtz one, I think it's the Tim Holtz one or the Sizzix one, I thought I'd get this one because I never had it. So then paper, the Paper Studio flowers, I got, they had these with the butterflies, and so I got 4. I'm working on a project using this color, so while I was in there today, I got that. But I got a beigey one, I got a white one, and I got a pink red one. So I think those are cute, you know. So I've got projects that I'm working on that hopefully will get to use those. And then I had never seen these, but I like that they had the different sizes, and these were all $1.74. Do I need flowers? Probably not. I can make my own, but I'm working on some stuff now that I do want to add flowers, and this just gives me a variety of sizes. And then I got this one because I'm working on a project for today with these colors, and I don't have much that color. So of course I went back. I had to get me some more gingerbread men from the Christmas aisle. I only got one. So yeah, I went back to the dies and I took a second look, and there were a couple that I don't have, so I thought I could use them. Okay, but you gotta use them. So I got this Sizzix one. You know, I think that's a Tim Holtz. Sure. It's the pattern repeat. And so anyway, can't wait to use those. Those are the designs. So I got that one. I got this Momenta, and I think I'm going to give this one away because I really believe I have a different company that has these same type of flags. So I'm going to look at that, and I think this may be in a giveaway. But for the price, you couldn't beat it because it was $4.24 and it's regular $16.99. But I got these 2 because I thought those would be so cute on some projects. This one is butterflies. And yeah, this one is like leaves and butterflies. So it was $3.24, and it'll fit an A2 card. So that's a good thing. And then this is a flower that I just thought, okay, that should be really cute, and do a couple layers and then layer them and make it a little thicker with dimension. And that's another Momenta. And those both were $3.24. And then I realized I didn't buy anything cutesy for the kids, so I thought this would be cute to use on baby cards and birthday cards or whatever. It was $1.74, so I thought, yeah, I can get that one. And then the spell binders, they had the words, and I thought, okay, so thank you, and they got 2, and then hello, and they got 2 in there. So for $3.24, and I have like a couple hellos, but they're all different sizes and stuff, and I have a couple thank yous, but they're all different. So I thought, you know, it wouldn't hurt to have those for those prices. And then I saw this 3D texture fade. It's an A6 size. I saw this, it's 3D and embossing folder, and I thought that would be so cool to use for making ATCs or to use for a man's card. So I thought I would get a lot of use out of this one, because coming up with some men's cards, I have the gears and I have a truck, you know, but I thought this would be really good for texture, and I could actually use foil papers on a man card without him getting all worked up about it. Yeah, because I can make it look like metal. So I thought that would be really cool, and it was only $1.99. And guys, that is it for Hobby Lobby. I was going to go to another store, but the weather is kind of iffy today, and I got some crafting I need to get done, because I got something I need to have uploaded tomorrow and Monday. So I'm going to be here in my room. I've been to the post office and mailed off packages. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you. And this is my part 2 of Hobby Lobby clearance sale. Hey! Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!